I'm going to show another example. So it's a great resource for source images. It also has some tiled, ready-to-use textures. I recommend you check it out. Now I've found this texture which I want to make tileable. I'm going to demonstrate on the medium size. Open it up in the Photoshop. Now the main thing we want to do is make it tileable vertically. So use the offset filter, change the right horizontal offset to 0, and adjust the vertical offset so you can see the seam. Okay, so here it is. You can notice the seam. To fix it, you just need to copy some of the boards, some of the planks, like this. I use the rectangular selection tool, copy, paste, and move over the seam. Use the eraser tool to blend the lower edge smoothly, and it blends nicely to the board below it. Great. Okay, now this knot is exactly the same, so let's use the clone stamp tool to get rid of it. And some adjustments here as well, just so it doesn't look the same. Perfect. Now this texture should be tileable vertically. To make it tileable horizontally, I'm gonna merge everything together and use the offset filter. Change the vertical offset to 0 and increase the horizontal offset. Okay. Now use the rectangular selection tool, select this area here, copy, paste, and move over the seam. Now free transform it like this. And just use the erase tool. This covers up the seam nicely. Okay. Let's clone this area here. And the texture should be pretty tileable. Let's save it. Now go to 3D Max. Create a large plane. And let's try on our texture. Wrong image. Here it is. This is without tiling. Let's increase the tiling. It is noticeable that it is styled, but you cannot see the seams anymore. You can make the tiling less obvious by increasing the texture size. Copy everything. Increase by another 100%. Well, for this sort of geometric texture with many horizontal repeating planks, basically I want to copy 2 or 3 of them, paste, move to a different position, and delete the edges. Paste again. Try to match the layers below it. Okay, like this. Well, you can work on it a bit more to get rid of these repeating parts. But since we made the texture bigger, we don't need to tile it as much. We made the tiling in Photoshop. Okay, so that's the basic idea behind making the texture stylable. And we're going to be using this a lot in creating our custom materials.